Good afternoon, I'm Holly and you're watching The Buzzing Trends by 𝐊𝐴𝐚 TV, a show where we get you all the latest updates on trends that are worth eyeing in the markets. First, let's take a quick glance at the latest ASX movements. Looks like the market has taken a bit of a dip as the S&P ASX 200 is down just 0.30 points today. The bottom performing stocks in this index are Evolution Mining down 5.66% and Mesoblast down 3.02%. Over the last 5 days, the index has gained 0.56% and the ASX 200 is currently 0.95% off its 52-week high. Today, we're going to take you through the 6 large cap stocks that surged the most in 2021. Large cap stocks of well-established companies come with an added layer of security. They have strong financials to survive market downturns relative to mid or small cap counterparts. Consistent dividends on top of stable returns are what makes them popular among retirees and people who play it safe in the markets. Meanwhile, ambitious investors remain reluctant from investing in large cap stocks due to their quest to generate hefty returns. The current economic tailwinds and strong investors' interest has added lust to the many large cap firms. Large cap stocks are witnessing a significant surge in their share price. So without further ado, let's have a look at the 6 ASX listed large cap stocks that surged the most in 2021. First up on our radar is Reece Group. Established in 1920, Reece is a leading distributor of waterworks and plumbing products to commercial and residential customers. The group operates in Australia, New Zealand and the US through its vast number of branches. Australia, in its red-hot property market, is witnessing an upbeat setting with the construction activities bouncing back. And as a result, there is positive demand trend for building, construction and plumbing materials. During the first half of this year, ending the 30th of June, Reece Group reported a 4% increase in sales revenue. And on the 15th of July, Reece Limited shares surged over 51.5% on a year-to-date basis. The second large cap stock worth eyeing is Mineral Resources, the Perth-based leading mining services company that owns a portfolio of mining operations across several commodities like lithium and iron. The company provides mining services, including capital infrastructure and operational expertise, to mining sites in WA and the Northern Territory. The company's wholly owned subsidiary, Energy Resources Limited, recently secured a drilling rig for the Lockyer Deep 1, a conventional gas exploration well situated in Western Australia's onshore Perth Basin. As of mid-July, Mineral Resources shares gave a return of over 58% on a year-to-date basis and traded at $60.79. So, Reece Limited and Mineral Resources have given huge returns to their investors on date. And with that, it's time to conclude our show, but stick with us because we'll be back with more live market updates.
New Zealand is unique, and 𝐊𝐴𝐚 TV is here to bring you all the latest news and trending market updates. Streaming across multiple platforms, so no matter where you are, whether it be at the beach or on the farm, you can count on the team here at 𝐊𝐴𝐚 TV to be your home for accessing the latest valuable insights into global issues that are affecting New Zealanders. Subscribe to our channels across YouTube, Facebook, also visit 𝐊𝐴𝐚.co.nz.
Welcome back. I'm your host Holly and you're watching The Buzzing Trends. Moving on to our third pick, Aristocrat Leisure, the ASX-listed gaming machine manufacturer delivering a range of gaming products like slot machines, blackjack, caps, roulette, and house-banked card games. In addition to the group's land-based business, it has a digital presence with Plarium Global, delivering C mobile and browser games. Aristocrat plans to drive strong growth over the full year to the 30th of September. The company's shares gave a 35% increase year-to-date basis, trading at $42.28. And next up is Sydney Airport, which is located 8 kilometres from the city centre and less than 10 kilometres from significant tourist attractions. The company primarily invests in airport assets, which forms an important part of Australian infrastructure. The airport reported a month-on-month improvement in May, driven by quarantine-free trans-Tasman travel. Sydney Airport's stock has surged at around 22% this year so far, trading at $7.81 on the 15th of July. And on to our fifth pick, Commonwealth Bank, or CBA. Australia's largest lender, Commonwealth Bank sold its Australian general insurance business, 𝐴𝐼nsured General Insurance, to the Hollard Group. CBA established an exclusive strategic alliance for 15 years for the distributing of home and motor vehicle insurance products to its retail customers in Australia. In addition to the deferred payments, the transaction involved a consideration of around $625 million. As of mid-July, Commonwealth Bank of Australia
Hi, this is Andy Liu broadcasting from 𝐊𝐚𝐥𝐤𝐢𝐧𝐞 Media Studio in Australia, and I'll be hosting the new 𝐊𝐚𝐥𝐤𝐢𝐧𝐿 Wellness Show. The half-hour show will cover topics from how wellness as a concept has become even more significant during COVID, to how becoming vegan may improve your health, and much more. We are excited to showcase our live streaming show to our audience of millions overseas and in Australia. Tune in to 𝐊𝐴𝐚 TV and join me.
Once again, welcome back. As of mid-July, Commonwealth Bank of Australia shares gave a return of over 17% on a year-to-date basis. And the last large cap pick to watch for today is Suncorp Group. Suncorp is Australia's financial services company that provides finance, insurance and banking services across Australia and New Zealand. The group recently announced the sale of its 50% joint venture interest in its RACT insurance to its JV partner, Royal Automotive Club of Tasmania. The strategic decision is in line with its portfolio simplification strategy, and the sales consideration involves upfront cash proceeds of $83.75 million. Suncorp has successfully placed its financial year 22 reinsurance program with an upper limit of $6.5 billion. This covers the motor, home and commercial property portfolios across Australia and NZ. Suncorp Group's shares rose to around 16% on a year-to-date basis. So these were the top 6 large cap stock picks that we've been shining the light on in the markets till date. And with that, it's time to wrap up the show, but stay tuned for more live market updates and news that matters to make the most of your day with 𝐊𝐴𝐚 TV. Holly Shields signing off.